Good day, guys. Welcome back. Today, another quick unboxing. The Sony NP-FV100A. That's the battery that I just received today. And this battery is supposedly, obviously, more stamina. Yes. 3410 milliamp per hour at 7.4 volts. That's the box there. I've seen the older packaging, which is a bit crazy. The plastic that you need to cut using maybe a very sharp scissors. This one is good because Sony has changed to just a normal box, which is a retail pack box. And yeah, this is the box itself, or 2015 Sony Corporation, etc, etc. And yep, rechargeable battery, original one, because I've been using the original battery that comes with the Sony AX700. This is the original one, which is NP-FV100A, which is at 1900 milliamp per hour. So 1900 milliamp per hour versus the new one, 3410 milliamp per hour. So without further ado, let's get this cracking. Alright. Anything else? Paperwork. Ooh, such a quick paperwork. Sony Corporation 2022. Parlez-vous français? For France only. Okay. This is rechargeable battery pack. Blah blah blah. Alright, that's a quick one. Caution: batteries mishandled. Yada yada yada. Do not close, don't disassemble. Keep the battery pack dry. That's it. That's that. Okay. Check out the battery. Okay. Wow, look at that. Nice and big. That's the bottom part, lithium ion. The front, Sony batteries have got this Active Force Info Lithium. This is the V series battery. Later on, I'm gonna do another review on an unboxing of the rechargeable, the charger. Sorry. Okay, so Sony NP-FV100A, 3410 milliamp per hour. That's what it looks like. And if we do a comparison with the original battery would be, let's see, right, of course that part is the same, but when you see it from here, oh yeah, they do have the security logo there, the Sony sticker to show that it's the original. So it's a bit longer. That's it basically, and same connectors obviously, and easy enough for you to plug it in at the back of the FDR-AX700. Oh, Sony. That's it. Click, click. I haven't charged it obviously, it's new. So battery, oh, it's got some power there. Let's check it out. Yeah, I gotta charge it, of course, which we'll be doing later on. But anyway, so that's a quick one on this particular new battery. So as you can see, it juts out a bit from that side there versus this one. Yeah, not that big of a difference, not a massive difference on, looks like on the AX700. Hopefully I get maybe about, say, a normal live streaming job, about 4 hours, double on from what this original battery is. And yep, just keep this one as a backup, and yay, I got a new one, new longer lasting battery. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next review or unboxing. Cheers, bye.